I was in a car accident where I was rear-ended, and I had to find a lawyer and get some consultation because I ended up had to go to the emergency room because of having some neck injury. So I called a friend of mine and I asked her, I said, if you had to call a lawyer, and who would you call? And she said, Fred Appleton and a law firm. I said, well, do you have anybody else? She said, no. I put everything on that lawyer right there. She said, you go there, they're going to take care of you. She said, I put everything on it. So that's how I end up here at this law firm. Well, after the collision happened, I had a lot of anxiety going on. I was excited. I was more nervous than anything because I thought that I was going to be pushed out into the ongoing traffic. Once I got home, I realized that I was in pain, and I realized that I needed to call someone because I ended up going to the emergency room, and then they diagnosed me and did CAT scans, and they told me what my situation was. It was just not something that they could give me an aspirin for. They said that I probably going to have to have surgery. And then one of the nurses asked me, she said, have you contacted a lawyer yet? And I hadn't. Well, the injury I had was my neck was messed up, where I had like 3 discs located in my neck that had to be removed. I ended up had to have surgery, and a 4-hour surgery at that, and replaced with a rod in my neck so that I would still be able to have motion. I'm still at the point now, even having the surgery, that I can't do certain things. I'm limited to doing certain things, and it caused me to have to give up a couple of my jobs. I had 3 jobs, so 2 of my jobs I was not able to go back to because it caused for me to be hands-on. So therefore, I had to go ahead and change a whole nother career due to the surgery. One of the things I liked about this law firm is it was very cozy. Everybody welcomed you, and they truly sat down with me and got an understanding of what had happened with me, what I wanted to do. They gave me the pros and cons. They didn't bite their tongue about anything. They gave me the best advice. This is the first time I've been in a law firm where it had a nurse practitioner who had medical information to give me, as well as law information. So that made it much easier on me making the decision on what I need to do with my surgery or how I go about doing it. Or also gave me hints on making sure that I chose the best doctors to prefer to do my surgery so that I would have the best outcome. One of my overall experience here, I said by far none is one of the best one. I met the owner of the company. They provided so many services that most law firms don't even offer. On a situation that occurred, I was able to call them. They was able to work things out for me, made other moves that I've never known a law firm to be able to do. Even though they don't do a whole lot of advertising on television, I think that they put their money wisely into the people and making sure that they get what they need. I'm greatly satisfied. They did an excellent job. Anytime I call, I don't have to worry about being on hold. I don't have to worry about them not getting in touch with me. They contact me through voicemail, email, text message. I never had to wait on an update while dealing with them. And I recommend anyone, if you're having a situation, having a problem, and you in Jacksonville, come to this law firm.